Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can take user input in Python and also print those user input as well. So here we are going to declare a variable. Let's say the variable name will be name equal to, I am going to show over here input. In order to take input we need to write input, and inside it we are going to say enter your name, and we'll give a clone over here. Clone is a necessary for taking input. We are just giving this in order to make it more sensible when we are taking input. So right now if we just run this, here you can see we are seeing this enter your input, and if we write over here Yamin and press enter, the program will end over here. Okay, so right now let's say we want to print the name after taking the input. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to say over here print, and here we need to mention this name. If I just say over here name, then if I now run it, let's say here name is John this time, press enter, and here you can see it printed John. So we can make it more sensible over here. So here we're going to give two single quotation or double quotation, and let's say here user name clone, then we'll give a plus sign over here, and then we're going to mention this variable which is name. So we are going to say here name. So right now let's run it. Here you can see enter your name. Let's say here Yamin, then press enter, and here you can see username Yamin. So let's have a few more input fields. So let me just copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here 2 times. So here you can see enter your email, and let's say here enter your phone number, and let's also print those data. But before that, let me just change the variable name. This will be email, and this will be, let's say, phone. Then let me just copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here. So here I'm going to say it will be email. Okay, let me just do this. This one will be email, and here we're going to mention this variable name which is email. So we'll say here email, and this one will be phone number. Let's say here phone number, and here we're going to say phone, which is this variable. So right now let me just run it, and here you can see enter your name. Let's say it will be David, and enter your email, it will be david@gmail.com, and after that it will ask the phone number. So it will ask enter your phone number. Let's say random number, press enter, and it will print the username, email, and phone number. So this is how you can take user input and print those data in Python. I hope you learned something new. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.